The density of a certain type of steel is 7.85 grams per centimeter cubed. What is the density in pounds per cubic foot? First, we'll start with our unit given, which is 7.85 grams per centimeter cubed. The first thing I'm going to do is convert grams to pounds. To do this, I'll multiply by our conversion factor of 1 pound is equal to 453.6 grams. In order to get rid of the centimeters cubed, I have to first convert to inches using our conversion factor of 2.54 centimeters per 1 inch. Because the centimeters are cubed, we also have to cube our conversion factor. Then we have to convert from inches to feet, and to do this, we'll multiply by our conversion factor of 12 inches per foot. And this also has to be cubed. Plugging into the calculator, we get that 7.85 grams per centimeter cubed is equal to 490.1 pounds per foot cubed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.